And they're off. In the lead. Guys, what's up? Welcome to the winner's enclosure. It is I, your friendly shipper. We allow you to purchase the items from overseas and then we bring them and deliver to you. Whether you're at home or you're at the racetrack, we're going to bring your items to you. So, you see the name already. We're at Caymanas Park, guys. We're on the delivery trail. We come to drop off a package, but you know what? We'll take advantage of the nice scenery. Watch it. We're not see the horses yet, but that's nice. That's rich. Alright, guys, come over. We don't have the real horses yet, but we do have some stalwarts, some stallions over here. Yeah? Champions. Alright, guys, and that is what we are. We are champions at shipping the items from overseas and getting them delivered to you. So there's a link here on the screen. Write it off. Or there is a link in the description box. Go to that link and click it. I know, guys, I want you to do me a favor. When you see this video, I want you to comment. Have you ever been to the racetrack? Let me know. It is very, very, very exciting, especially around emancipation period there when they have the whole heap of big races. You guys should come and check it out. Alright, so we're here live from Caymanas track. I am going to go inside now and place a bet. Alright, catch you guys later.